Despite over a year of national lockdowns and far fewer cars being out on the road, the RAC has reported its sharpest quarterly rise in pothole-related breakdowns on record. This is Lincoln Road in West London, one of countless British streets to be marred by potholes. According to the BBC, councils are repairing potholes at the rate of 1 every 19 seconds. 9 in 10 drivers have been affected by them, and over half have had to brake or swerve sharply to avoid them. But motorists aren't the only victims. Potholes are a nightmare for bikes, with a fifth of cyclists having had an accident because of them. In fact, it's estimated that one cyclist is seriously injured or even killed every week due to potholes. This pothole's more than 1 metre wide and 7 inches deep. It could do a cyclist some serious damage. It's really important to report a pothole when you see one. Here's how to do it and how to claim for repairs. Make sure you document it. Take photos on the day you hit or see it and try and show the hole's depth by including another object in the image for scale. Record the location of the pothole. If you're injured or your vehicle is damaged, take photos. Report it to the council or the Highways Agency as soon as possible. If you make a claim, keep any quotes you get for repairs. If you need repairs, keep the receipts. If your claim is rejected, ask to see details of the council's road inspection reports to confirm their reasoning adds up. If you think you still have a claim, don't be afraid to try again. Your last resort is the small claims court, but do seek legal advice first, as you could be liable for costs. For more advice on potholes and your consumer rights, visit which.co.uk. Let us know what the roads are like in your area in the comments. Check out the video below to find out how to spot and avoid a scam website. And for more content like this, subscribe to the Which YouTube channel.